In this video I will show you how to earn $500 up to $1,500 by simply copying and pasting images. The first thing we are going to do is go to google.com and search for this keyword cute animals. Now let us click on this button and we will be taken to this page where we can find various images of all of these cute animals. We are going to use them to make a lot of money online using a very special website and a very unique strategy. Secondly, let us go to teespring.com, which is a completely free platform that allows us to use artificial intelligence to design various e-commerce products that you can then sell on the internet without having to talk to anyone. All you have to do is copy and paste your photos into teespring.com. It will simply assist you in printing those designs to various garments, t-shirts and other designs that you can see here. See this design right here, it is very simple. You can simply upload, copy and paste some simple graphics and then they will help you print them on various t-shirts instantly. As you can see, there are accessories as well as backpacks, leggings and even phone cases. The idea behind this money-making strategy is that Teespring will gladly pre-manufacture and generate all of the t-shirts and different designs for you. On top of that, they will assist you in shipping to over 180 countries around the world. Not only that, but they can do it with same-day or two-day shipping, which means you can start your own online store on teespring.com. First and foremost, you must create a product by simply using the Teespring launcher and selecting the stock designing button. In just a moment I will show you how to use your mobile phone or computer to begin designing different t-shirts by uploading, copying and pasting different images. Once you have completed that process, the next stage is increasing your sales. You can either use their existing network or integrate Vera to LoRa collaboration to generate more sales. Teespring will assist you in manufacturing, transporting and fulfilling all orders. They will even help you with customer service as they have a competent team to handle it. To get started, let us go to teespring.com's homepage and click on this button right here. We will be taken to this page where we can sign up for free. All you have to do is fill out some basic information like your name or brand name, email address and password, and then click the sign up button. We will then be redirected to this page where we will see different categories of trending products as well as a variety of suggestions for what's hot and what's trending. For instance, other trending areas include digital apparel and accessories such as joggers, face masks and so on. If you do not like any of these categories, you may simply scroll down and look through the many other themes, goods and products that you can make. In this video I will show you how to get started with the best one, which is the classic. Now all we need to do is upload an image onto our t-shirt. To do that, let us go back to Google and search for cute animal images, which is what I showed you at the beginning of this video. Next we choose one of these images. In this video I will use cats as an example because there are many cat fans all over the world who will definitely buy t-shirts with a lovely cat on top. Once we have chosen the cat image, we can either save it to our computer, take a screenshot, or save it to your phone. All we have to do now is click this button to upload the image. Once we have successfully uploaded the image, it will appear on the t-shirt just like this. Feel free to move the image around until it is in the perfect position. We can also resize the image to make it bigger or smaller according to your preference. I'm making it slightly larger to fit the box in the center. The next step is to choose a color for our product. We will go with white for our t-shirt. However, you can add even more colors using this button here. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the page to set a price for your product. By default, they recommend $28.99 for t-shirts and you can earn 13% profit on every sale. Teespring will help you market and sell the t-shirt for you every day. Once you are happy with your design, just click on the continue button at the bottom and your t-shirt and design will be right on top online at teespring.com. To get hundreds of sales, I would like you to go to facebook.com right now and search for the keyword cat lover. Next, just click on groups and then I want you to click on this button right here, which will help you filter all of the results for cat lovers groups that are open to the public. Suppose I click on this group right here, I will be taken to this page where I can see a lot of cat fans from all around the world. They are showcasing various images, graphics and videos related to cats. If we are able to put a basic design right here on the scoop, we will be able to generate a lot of organics. Group as a cat lover, and that is all you have to do now. If you want to learn even more ways to make money online, then subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Then click here to watch this next video to discover how to get paid free PayPal. If you want to earn more money in less time, then I have given link in description. So I hope you will definitely use it. By doing that, I earn more than $1,000 per month. For any problem, write your question in comment. I will answer your question very soon. So you see the description once and earn money. If you liked the video, then like the video and subscribe the channel. See the description for more information. Thanks for watching video.